In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Kalodata coupon code to get a discount. So let's get started. So here we are in Kalodata, and from here, the first thing that you'd want to do is to go into this website by using the link in the description. And once you're here, you want to now log into your account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. You can either click here on Start Free 7-Day Trial, or you can click here on Sign Up. In my case, I'll just go for sign up, and then from here, you can provide your email and then the verification code that is sent to that email, or you can sign up using your TikTok account or your phone number. And now, once you're signed up, you will now be prompted in here into their dashboard. And now, you just simply need to go into the pricing so that we can now go choose a plan right here that we'd want so that we can use our discount. Like for example, we will be going for the starter one right here. So if you'd want to maximize your savings and this coupon code, I suggest going for the yearly plan, as this would also get you additional 20% savings, plus you would be able to maximize the percentage discount of our coupon code. So I'm gonna go for starter, for example. Now in here, we would have this pane. So in here, you just need to provide your payment information. For example, just go for a credit card. And then here in the promo code is that you want to enter our promo code, which is, and then after that, you want to hit enter, and then you should have the check mark right here. And as you can see here, by using our promo code, I have now lessened the total price by $43.61. So yeah. Actually, this is quite redundant, but if you are not using the link, then I suggest using the promo code, because if you also use the link, then the promo code would automatically be applied. But just to be sure, I suggest you would want to put the promo code still. So once you're done, click on Go to Pay once you provided all the information needed. And that's it. You have now used the Kalodata coupon code for a discount. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.